Hello बच्चों, let's continue our journey of exploring Maths chapter number 14, Pattern Powerhouse. Okay, so we have understood about the types of patterns and learned about repeated patterns and growing patterns. Okay, now let's understand what are reducing patterns. Okay, so a reducing pattern is in which the count of things decreases. It is known as a reducing pattern. Okay, now let's understand this with the help of a picture pattern. Okay, so here we have a picture of a flower, right? Now in the next picture of the flower we can see the count of petals is reduced by 2, right? The 2 petals are missing here. Now in the next picture we can see that again 2 petals are being reduced, right? Yes, and in the next picture we can see we are only left with 2 petals here, right? And 2 are again removed. Now in the next one there is no petals at all. That means the picture pattern has been following a reducing pattern in which it is the petals are decreased by the count of 2, right? Yes. Now, let's look into this one. What will come in the place of the question mark here? Can you see? Okay, let's look at this way. Here we have 6 yellow color triangles. Can you spot them? Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Yes. Now we have the next box with the question mark. Let's move further. We have how many yellow color triangles here now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now in the next box we are left with 3 triangles only. And in the next one only 2. That means the count of triangles is being reduced by 1, right? Yes. So if we reduce one triangle from here to get this, how many triangles should be there? There should be 5 triangles, right? Yes. Well done. Now let's learn about number pattern. Okay. So here we have the first number as 50 and the next number is 45. If we subtract 45 from 50, what we will get? We will get 5 as the difference, right? Again, if we subtract 40 from 45, what will be the difference? The difference is 5. In the same way, if you subtract 35 from 40, again the difference is 5. So we can see and observe here that the number are being reduced by the count of 5, right? So it is forming a reducing pattern by subtracting the number 5 here, right? Yes. Now let's solve this one. What will come in the place of the question mark here? Here we have 701. Now we have this next number as 601. Then we have the next number as 501 and the next one is 401. So we can say if we subtract 100 from the previous number, then we will get our next number, right? Yes. So on subtracting 100 from 701, we get 601. In the same way, we get 501 and 401, right? Now, to get the next number, what we have to do? We will subtract 100 from this 401 and the number will be, can you answer me? Correct, it is 301. Well done. Now, let's learn about analogy. Okay, so what is analogy? Analogies in patterns are similar things found in different patterns to understand how they connect, right? So, let's understand this with this example. In the given first set of images, the first shape is uncolored and the second one is colored. So the same pattern will be followed in the second set of the images, right? So we can say if we have the first image as uncolored, then we will have the second image as colored. That is like this. Correct? Yes. So here the relation is being formed between the set. Here we have this as a set or a pair, and here we have a pair or set as this. The relation between these two and these two should always be same, right? Yes. Now let's understand the another example of it. In the first set of the images, the triangle is inside the square in the first image, right? Now, in the second image, we can see the square is inside the triangle, right? The same shapes are there, only their position has been changed, right? So, in the same way, if we follow the same pattern, then what we will have? We will have this circle inside this drop shape, right? Correct. So, will it look like this? Correct. So, this will be the relation between these two sets, or we can say these two images. Correct? Yes. So, well done students. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Okay? Till then, have fun while you learn.